In front of me is Motorola One Macro, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So first of all, from your home screen go to the settings, then find and select security and location. Now scroll down, find and pick advanced, go a bit lower, and here click on Virgin Mobile or whichever carrier you do have. You will notice it just under SIM card lock. And now you can click on change SIM PIN, and at first you have to enter the old one, so in my case it's 159, click on OK, and this is the time to set brand new SIM PIN. So let me enter 2580. Now you have to re-enter it just to confirm. And that's it. As you can see, it has been changed. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.